Good morning. I am Jarnail Singh from Government College for Women, Hisar. Today I want to tell something about Mulk Raj Anand. You know, Mulk Raj Anand is a great writer. Anand belongs to the first generation of the great Indian novelist writing in English with other two contemporaries, namely Rajarao and R.K. Narayan. Anand belongs to the tradition of the 19th century writers and writes under the preponderant influence of the European Hellenistic tradition. He was influenced by the French and the Russian and the writers whom he and covertly woos are Tolstoy, Flaubert, Zola and Balzac. He himself admits rather candidly that he carries with him the double burden on the shoulders, the Alps of European tradition and the Himalayas of the Indian past. You know something about Mulk Raj Anand. He is one of the few Indian English writers internationally acclaimed as a novelist. He is known for his best work Coolie, Untouchable, Two Leaves and a Bird, The Village, The Private Life of Indian Prince. These are some best of his novel. Uh, his works include short story, criticism, fairy tales, autobiography, language, history, education, politics, arts, films, folk theatres, dance, music, feminism, and contemporary Indian culture. He is the most prolific and most commented writer. The criticism of my novels would have to be internal evidence of the novels themselves. Anand, you know, he is one of the great writer uh, in Indian English literature. His great novel Coolie came into my hand. This is the wording of Ira Morris. I knew almost at once that its author was another of those miraculous creators who can make one feel the beauty of horror. He lies beneath life out of surface. Anand tried to bring amelioration to the millions of helpless Indian masses subjected to the vast forms of social indignity, apathy, boredom, and ugliness. You know, his novel Untouchable reflects the untouchability and caste system in Hindu society. Untouchable are neglected, they are tortured also, uh, and his mother's broad-based humanism and his father rationalistic temper tending to make his attitude to life. His father was a servant in civil service and he was influenced by Kant, Rajaram Mohan Rai. He is a reformist and he is one of the greatest writer. Anand places human being at the apex of creation and freely admits that he has been working under the influence of European Hellenism. Anand the writer, Anand the man remain enigma. Anand's work fully also shows the pitiable condition of poor worker and untouchable is also about the caste system. So, if you want to study Mulk Raj Anand, he is one of the greatest writers like R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao. Raja Rao Kantapura is also a great work of literature, and Mulk Raj Anand Untouchable is one of the greatest uh, work of literature. Untouchable is written in 1936. This novel is the masterpiece of Mulk Raj Anand. Thank you.